BigBear AI and SMX are collaborating to enhance maritime domain awareness for the U.S. Navy 4th Fleet at Unitas 2025, a multinational maritime exercise featuring around 8,000 personnel from 26 countries. BigBear AI will deploy its AI and orchestration technologies to improve coordination, decision-making, and threat detection in maritime operations. The company's solutions, including ARCUS and Conductor OS, will be integrated across unmanned vehicles and hybrid fleet innovations to provide near real-time insights and predictive analytics. The exercise aims to address maritime security concerns such as counter-narcotics operations, human trafficking, and arms smuggling. In the realm of restaurants, SoundHound partnered with Red Lobster, the world's largest seafood restaurant company, to implement AI-powered phone ordering across all of its locations. The partnership aims to streamline the takeout process for Red Lobster by using SoundHound AI's advanced voice AI technology that can handle multiple calls simultaneously and answer common customer questions about hours, operations, and menus while taking orders. This system will reduce the workload for in-restaurant staff so they can focus on providing better in-person customer service. The collaboration is part of Red Lobster's larger strategy to streamline its takeout process and provide a more convenient ordering experience for customers. At the same time, it expands SoundHound's presence in the restaurant sector. Then whether it's AI for food service or warfighting systems, energy is needed, and lots of it. Especially after NVDA announced a $100 billion investment in OpenAI to deploy at least 10 gigawatts of NVIDIA systems for OpenAI's next-generation AI infrastructure, training models on the path to deploying superintelligence. That means clean energy providers like Plug Power could stand to benefit as they stand ready to meet the growing energy demand from data centers. Plug revealed that its Georgia hydrogen facility produced a record 324 metric tons of green hydrogen in August, marking its strongest month on record and highlighting the reliability of its production capabilities at commercial scale. To emphasize this progress further, Plug held an investor tour of the Georgia facility with institutional investors and Oppenheimer to demonstrate the technology's performance and commitment to transparency. Speaking of transparency, Bollinger Innovations announced it assures shareholders that they will not experience any more reverse stock splits for at least 3 years, and that the latest reverse stock split is focused on maintaining its NASDAQ listing. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.